the shrimp, fresh garlic, leeks, tomato, broccoli. Okay, little mise en place here. Just chopped garlic like this is fine. It doesn't need to be chopped very fine. Okay. Leeks, just like this. Tomato, just a simple wedge cut like this. Okay. One more item we're using today, pan-fried eggs. This is 4 eggs that have been slightly scrambled and then pan-fried, and this will be part of the garnish for this Asian-style stir-fry. Okay, a touch of sesame oil for flavor, a little bit of olive oil, garlic, leeks, okay, it's all cooking together. At this point, we're putting a little bit of soy sauce. Oh yeah, a little bit of pepper. If you like, you can put curry or ginger or some other spicier flavors. I'm keeping this one mild today. And one last thing, I like this oyster sauce, just a little bit. Oyster sauce is going to add to the flavor. And of course, the broccoli is ready to go in there. And we're just about ready here. The finished stir fry: shrimp, broccoli, egg, tomato, garlic, and assorted vegetables. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a great day.